My name's Tony Biller. We're here in Michigan City, Indiana. We are at the Brewery Lodge Hotel and Supper Club. This is a 12-room hotel with fine dining. We are in the middle of 45 acres of property with very dense forest and a multitude of plants. We have lots of ferns and ground cover and grass and 8-foot tall cattails. Today I got the opportunity to drive the 4-wheel drive Brush Rover by Orec, which helped me take down my 7 to 8 foot tall cattails. I was really impressed on the steep hills that it climbed up and down. I was impressed by the water and the mud that it went through. This thing has really impressed me a lot. The muddy tires, the incredible speed, the power. I cut down 1 to 2 inch saplings, which I'm very impressed of. We are in the middle of very dense brush here, which I plan on flattening and mowing down, and I really need that machine, which I will get one now because I really love that machine.